Oh, look at how neatly packaged. What is that? Do I remember ordering this? Hey, nail tubers. What is up, Nailification Squad? And good morning to everyone. Welcome to anyone new here on the channel. And the reason why I say good morning is because I'm just waking up fresh this morning. And we usually have our morning coffee and we're out. So my brother, he goes down to the Speedway gas station. And oh my gosh, I love Speedway gas station coffee. Does anybody else love Speedway coffee? So he steps out the door and he finds that box that you saw. I am so excited about this. So how better can a day start, right? Waking up, you don't have to work because I'm not going in today, and the weather's gonna be nice, and then this box arrives. Can't get any better than that. As you saw, this came from Vanessa Nailz, and the reason why I'm even more super excited about this is because I have been wanting to try her acrylics. So we're gonna go through this real quick. I actually had, oh, you know what, and this is the acrylic powder. Hold on, let me see what size. This is a 10-ounce jar, so this is gonna go a long way, guys. Look at this. And you know what I really appreciate? I appreciate that it's been sealed so that the there's no spillage. So this is a 10-ounce, this gigantic thing. Oh my gosh. So this is what happened. I found out about this sale because this came as a result of a sale that she was having. I saw Rochelle's Nail Glam, and Rochelle was doing a haul video of products that she got from Vanessa sale, and she had mentioned, and by the way, thank you, Rochelle. I really appreciate it because you just don't know. Like I said, I have been wanting to try her acrylics for a long time. She doesn't know I exist. But I've enjoyed her work. She's very good at acrylics. Very, very good. And so I have been wanting to try this. So when Rochelle posted her video, I watched it and I said, oh my gosh, she's having a sale. I had to jump all over it. I actually was called into work about a week or two ago to do some extra hours to fill in for someone. So that came right on time too, because I made some extra money. And see, you see what I did with it, right? So this is her acrylic clear, and this is a 10-ounce jar. I think I said that already. And you guys could check out her website. So what I'm understanding, in fact, let me move this out the way. You know what, this also, this also is coming in perfect timing because I was actually set up to do an acrylic video. It's so big I can't even get it in the screen. So this is apparently the reason why she had it sealed, is because there's no cover on the inside. Oh, it smells good. It has like a very, very light fruity smell. And there's just a tiny bit of crystally kind of sparkle in it. So that's nice. And then what I wanted to do was anything that I purchase that I'm trying for the first time, I'm going to try to make it a habit of getting things as a system. So I purchased her monomer as well. And this is I keep looking back, but let me see. This is a 16-ounce monomer. And I'm so glad to have this jug. So very glad to have this jug. And I like the way this was sealed to make it spill proof. Even if it spilled, that it was not going to spill all over your products inside. So let me tell you about these acrylic. Oh, let me show you this first too before I move on. I'm so excited about the acrylic powders. I also ordered some nail tips. I've been wanting to try the XX. Okay, so we've been into XXLs. Now I guess we're making a movement into the XXXLs, right? The triple XLs. So I'm just going to take one bag out. Oh, and while I'm opening this, guys, you know what? I am really hoping that this goes up today, because for the past 2 days, the past 2 I was gonna say evenings, but it's not just even evenings, during the daytime too. Our internet service has been acting up, so I ordered some of these too. The extra long C-curve tapered square. Loving it. Loving it. As a matter of fact, I had some, and I'll have to tell you about these. I had some where I did these nails, and oh my gosh, it was such a horrible time. Those I got from AliExpress. And I'm so glad to get these. And I'll make that comparison when I tell you guys about that. So yeah, XXL. Well, hers just say extra long, but we know these are like the supreme extreme long C-curve nails. And then I'll show you guys the acrylic powders. I love how they came boxed. So I'll just show you one box and then you'll know all of them came in the same type of box. I don't know if her sale is still going. So what Rochelle was explaining was that she was having to sell because she's changing out her branding labels. So that's the reason why. This must be, yeah. I also ordered her Neon Glow It collection, which is supposed to be 10 pieces. Oh, I love how they're packed upside down so you could see the color right away. Isn't that so exciting? So I'll show you the colors. Oh, look at that. That purple is gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. So this blue is called, this is called Blue Moon. And this is part of her Neon Glow It collection. Liddy Lime. That's bright. Oh, that's cute. That may not necessarily be a color that I wear, but I would do it. I would do it. This is called Purple Rain. Cute. And this is called Fierce Red. And you know what? I'll do another video swatching these, but I'm going to get out and enjoy the day today. I feel like I earned it. Fierce Red. Beautiful. And you know what, guys? I don't even have a, I don't have a rack for acrylic powders to store. So they're in drawers. Lemon Drop. Cute. Bright Skies. Aw, these jars are so cute. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. Glow in the dark. Yeah, because they're glow. I'm sorry, I didn't even mention they're glow in the dark. So that's okay. Yeah. This one is flipped apparently because this is not part of that collection. Passion Light. Magma Orange. Ooh, I like that. So pretty. Her jars are just simply beautiful. Pink Burst. And I know I'm just kind of like running through these, right? Because I'm going to be gone. I got to go. Money Right. Money Right. Get your money right. Such cute colors. I'm so glad I ordered. Thanks again, Rochelle. Okay, so this is not, these two are not part of it. So that was 10 of them. Because it comes in a collection of 10. Okay guys, so my camera stopped in the middle of that, so here I am starting back over. So that was the glow collection I just showed you, right? Yeah, the glow Neon Glow It collection. It was 10 pieces in that. So these are the colors that I ordered that were on sale. So one of the things that I wanted to do, I don't have a lot of greens, and so I ordered some greens. I don't know if you guys would be into this color. I know Omnia would be. This is Evergreen. So beautiful. And the reason why I ordered green, and I'm flipping that over because I'm still admiring her her branding, her packaging. These jars are just so pretty. So pretty. So I was explaining the reason why I ordered green is because my Jeep is green. So I'm going to get more into the greens this year. Apple green. Yeah, I really wanted to order this one. Apple green. I can't wait to see how this turns out swatched. Apple green. Guava. Guava. Most of the colors were sold out, so I kind of picked from what was left, but I'm still liking what I got. I still like what I got. Then here's a kiwi lime. So cute. What a cute color. Kiwi lime. I can't wait to swatch these, but I'm hanging out today, y'all. Pastel green. Give you a good spin of that. And I did want pastels too. Pastel peach. A pastel purple. Pastel yellow. I wanted a couple of different types of yellows too. It almost looks like a banana yellow. And number 38. I can't figure. Oh, smoky gray. Smoky gray. Not 38. Number 48, smoky gray. Beautiful colors, guys. So guys, yeah, it's Vanessa Nailz with a Z. I can't unfortunately provide her webpage right now because our internet service was taken down, I found out, by work in the area. But I'll have a link for it in my description box. And also, Rochelle, thank you so much, because if it hadn't been for you, I wouldn't have even known about the sale to take advantage of it. I'm so happy with this purchase. So listen, if you haven't already, if you're still considering it, don't spend no more time doing that. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Just go ahead and subscribe because I got so much more to come, and I look forward to seeing you again.